Ready, Sam? Look at this.
It's raining corn.
That's some
There,
corn.
bearing me.
You know, there's different colors of corn. You got yellow corn, black
White corn.
white corn, purple corn. Maybe there's orange corn. I doubt Kenny knows what he's talking about. I'm the only one who knows about corn.
I know what
And
corn is.
it fed pioneer settlers for a long
And
time. Trying to think of
No
something
wonder,
more.
no wonder why Adam likes at the shop.
Should we get you a little closer to the corn?
I love it.
And the next kind of corn is pear corn. And that is something like this.
It's
It's raining corn.
yeah.
All right, well, we'll catch up with you later.
Yeah.